All right, this here, what I did was pulled up a session that we recorded last night with recording artist Rich the Pit. Shout out Rich and shout out Martell DB for the beat. So in this video, just real quick, another benefit of having your session gridded out or knowing what the BPM of your song is, when you set the grid, you can actually fly your hooks really quickly. So if I know that my hook ends here and the verse starts at 13. Bossed up and got rich. Nowadays I done bossed up. But I know the verse ends at 29. Been way too clutch. No, I got it. Right, but the hook is not there and I want the hook to sit there. So if I know my hook starts at 29, I can go back to here and drag it back to 5. But if you see the verse, the hook actually starts a little bit before 5. So what I want to do is go all the way to 4 with my highlight. And then I'm going to take off a bar at the end. And then I'm just going to duplicate, or in Ableton it's Command D. So I'm going to duplicate once, and it's the same length for the second verse. So I'm going to duplicate twice, and my hook within 2 seconds has been flown through the whole song. Clutch, now I got ice wood in my blood. So ask dog, who are you really trying to take from? I got ice wood in my blood. Trust me, taking 30 seconds to BPM or tempo map your session at the beginning, before your session starts, before you even get your artist in the booth and you get the tempo mapped to your DAW choice, trust me, it's going to pay dividends for the rest of your career.